Hi guys, it's Marky. How's it going, guys? New for 2022 Hot Wheels. I got a bunch of them. Let's open them up and check them out. This is a really nice Pagani Zonda R. This car is just amazing. Hot Wheels Exotic Series. I'm loving the graphics on there. Check out the little mirrors, the wing in the back. So awesome. New for 2022 Pagani Zonda R. Let's take a close look. Beautiful. It looks great on the card. Let's get him out of there. See how he looks. Just loose. Oh man. This is a really nice Hot Wheels. Check it out. Check it out. Pagani name all the way on top. Beautiful. Beautiful. Looks amazing. Now let me tell you a little bit about this Pagani, because it's pretty cool. Really nice Pagani. I love it. I love it. This is a really nice find. I'm so happy I found this one. This one comes from N-Case, by the way, guys. N-Case, as shown right there on the last letter on the top here of the card. N-Case, the Pagani Zonda R. Okay, so this one's born 2009 in Italy. It's a track-only coupe from Pagani. It's so fast that it set a track record, a speed record in 2010. And it can go up to 233 miles per hour. 233 miles per hour. And get up to 60 in 2.8 seconds. So you blink and you might miss it. Pretty cool. Really awesome car. Amazing. Gold wheels on this one with a nice black enamel color on the base here. I mean on the side here on the bottom part, and then the black flat black on the top. I'm trying to say flat black on the top. So cool. There we go. Fixing the focus here for this. There's the Zonda R name on the side there. It's got the 10 or the 12 spokes in gold. We have a nice gold stripe there. Beautiful Pagani. Again, the Pagani name right there on the tail. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? Really cool V-stripe in the front in green. Then we have the V-stripe in the back, and looks like a red or orangey color. Beautiful. On the base, what do we have? Not a lot of detail on the base, but we do have the Pagani Zonda R name, made in Malaysia. Stamped R23, copyright 2021, and a new for 2022 Hot Wheels. There's the front end. Not a lot of different colors for the lights or anything like that, but all blacked out with just that green stripe there. Really cool tamples on the side, that stripe and the name. A really awesome car from the Hot Wheels Exotic Series, by the way, guys. Exotic Series. As shown here on the stripe, 7 of 10, so we get 10 exotic cars for 2022 in total. And we will have probably some recolors and some of the different exotic cars. I did find another really nice exotic, new for 2022. Check this out, new for 2022. The Lotus Evija or Evija, I'm not sure how you pronounce it, but it's from the UK. Hot Wheels exotic car, new for 2022 Hot Wheels. Awesome. Just really loving this car. And this one comes from N-Case as well. Born in 2021 in the UK. Meet the first British all-electric hypercar right here. It has a target range of 215 miles. You'll go far on just one charge. Limited to just 130 in production. Catch them while you can. So this is the first British all-electric hypercar. So nice. Blacked out wheels. Kind of look like those pizza slices or flowers. And we do have a big chunk of glass on the top. Comes all the way across. Beautiful with the British green, racing green color. That nice badge in the front. And then we do have these these yellow looking vents there or something. The lights are tampoed in there. Black and white. A little bit of shade maybe there. All blacked out wheels. We do have that interior color showing through here on the side. Pretty interesting. We do have a really incredible looking dashboard there because it is an electric car. Looking a little different. And there's the back end, kind of looking like a Batmobile, right? Big giant wing on top. The first electric hypercar from UK. Very, very nice. Let's see how he looks next to our Pagani. Wow, they look pretty similar in the front there, that little shape. This looks like a lot like a Lambo or a Corvette or something like that. Really nice couple of exotic cars. I got a couple more, a bunch more to show you actually. New for 2022 cars. These look so cool. See how they look side by side here. Let's come in a little closer. Wow, they look amazing. There we go. Look at that. Awesome. I'm just thinking, let's race them. Let's race these babies. Look at that. So exotic Hot Wheels car fans, here you go. Two really nice exotic cars. You can find these now. They're out at Walmart and Target right now, so you can find them. End case for the year. So how many do we have to go? We're up to end case in my area. Then we go N-O, no O, because they confuse it with zero, so they don't make an O case. So P, Q, it ends in Q. So we only have 2 more cases for the year. So it sounds about right. So we have, let's see, October, November, December, 3 months to go, 2 more cases to come. And usually around December, maybe late November, or sometime in November, we're already seeing A case show up for 2023. Will be showing up. So we probably will get A case, maybe even B case before the year is over. Who knows? Who knows? You never know with distribution, the way it's been going. Been getting a lot of old cases lately in my Walmart, which is kind of strange. I also got the new recolor of the new for 2022 Koenigsegg Gemera in the orange color. There's the card with the graphics and everything. Looking so cool. Let's get these cars out of the way. Very nice color for the Gemera. This one was out previously in the gray color, which I have it right here. And you see the differences. Same wheels and same tampo work, just different color and different interior color as well, and different tint on the window, on the windshield. And on the front, pretty similar. And on the back. All right, let's just see how he looks out of the package. Wow, look at that. Really nice orange color that pops for sure. Really, really nice. Looks like it has a orange interior in there, from what I can tell. There, you can see where it's a little bit open there. Looks like an orange, and it is a left side drive. What a beautiful Koenigsegg. Wow, look at that. Nice little badge back there. Beautiful car. Nice combo with the orange and the blacked out wheels and then the black trim on the bottom. Looking really awesome. A lot of glass going on there, right? And then this big piece back here. Incredible design on the Koenigsegg Gemera. Looking so good. What a beautiful Hot Wheels. Let's put him down for a second there. Get a little closer. Wow, what a beauty. Let's see what he has. What info does he have on the card here? Koenigsegg Gemera, born in Sweden in 2021. It's a hypercar that seats more than 2? ? You're not dreaming. The first ever 4-seater hypercar. The Gemera can go up to 250 miles per hour. So ride in style and bring the family. That's awesome. This one comes from the Hot Wheels Turbo series. You can see here Hot Wheels Turbo, Koenigsegg Gemera. What a nice car. Really looking good. Just enjoying this car so much. Let's see how he looks next to the other hypercar right there and this one right here, the Pagani. How do they look? Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Nice cars, nice cars. So here is the Gemera in the gray color, the first one for the year. And now the new color. Let's just put the older color in the back and the new color in front. There we go. We can get a little closer there. So there we go. That's how they look. Which one do you like better, the gray or the orange? Leave me a comment in the box below. Really like to know. And guess what, guys? I have the new for 2022 Lucid Air in a new color. This time it comes in white. Hot Wheels Green Speed electric car, guys. This is an electric car. The Lucid Air. There's the first one that came out this year, new for 2022, as you can see up here, in the silver, metallic silver color with the black trim on the bottom. Saw blades in chrome. We still have the saw blades. We still have the trim on the bottom, but now they went with the white. And these are 4-door cars. Pretty cool. Let's see how they look out of the package. Or how it looks out of the package in the new white color. Very nice, very nice. I like the color. There's the Lucid name right back there. Beautiful lights. They didn't pop a license plate on there. Have looks like 2 little antennas up there. And what's that little thing happening right there? I can't really tell what that is, but it does show up on the other one as well. Probably a little badge or something. We do have the darker windshield, and it looks like a little bit lighter on the silver one, and just a little darker over here. Maybe it's because of the darker interior. I don't know. Not sure. Or maybe the interior looks darker because of the darker glass. Here's the front end. It does say Lucid right in front. And check out that smile. The lights and the grill look like a smile there or something. Or like a smirk. Very nice. Very exciting to find new Hot Wheels, new colors, new recolors, and new models, new castings hitting the stores already for this month. Copyright 2021 Mattel. The Lucid Air. Pretty plain base. Not a lot of details. But here he is in the white and then the previous silver color. So you see the difference right there. Pretty cool. The Lucid Air. This one's born in Newark, California in 2022. It's an all-electric luxury ride. It can go an insane 520 miles on a single charge. Wow. 520 miles on a single electric charge. And that, of course, is from the Hot Wheels Green Speed series with the green stripe and the little battery for the logo. We're going to have 5 different electric cars with recolors, so it'll be more than 5, of course, with the recolors. But so cool. Really nice electric car. I really like it. And I have another new for 2022. This is another recolor, new for 2022. What do we have here? Special feature. And you see the back for the details on the special feature. When you roll the car, the engine will rock side to side. And this is the new recolor of the Lay-In Lowrider. Check this out. New colors for the Lay-In Lowrider. And I do have the first one that came out is the red one. A really nice red color with the same kind of pattern on the stripes and everything, just different colors. Let's compare them out of the package here. Let's get him out. Lay-In Lowrider. This one comes from the Xperi Motors series. There's the logo, 7 of 10 in the series, plus all the recolors. You're going to wind up with probably 20 or close to 20 cars, maybe a little less. But look at that. New color. Light blue. It's a nice metallic light blue with a chrome interior, but then with the blue tinted windows, it looks kind of bluish chrome inside. We do have the gold chrome on the wheels, 5 spokes, ones that look like stars, and then we do have the details on the base here, all plastic chrome on the base. Lay-In Lowrider, made in Malaysia, Hot Wheels, copyright 2021. Again, these are from Encase. All these cars today that I found are from Encase. And I saw them at both Walmart and Target, so you can find them already at Walmart and Target. Very cool grill in the front. No lights, no colors. I mean, the lights are there, molded in the, or casted, but no extra colors. And there are the stripes. Let's compare the stripes. Yeah, same exact design, just totally different combo of colors. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. They even inverted the pinkish color. And you can see this one's more like the translucent, not the metallic. And this is the metallic color. Very nice. They look awesome. And pretty cool feature with the rocking engine. You can see that they did change the color on the wheels. Same wheels, but different colors. Gold and this one chrome. And there's the grille in the front, all chromed out. Same, they use the same style in chrome. Same thing, chrome interior, except this one has a clear window so you can see the chrome. Just plain chrome. This one looks bluish with that blue tint. Very nice. Let's just pop them down here. See what they look like. Side by side. The new one in front. And earlier in the year, we got the red one. These are so awesome. They look really cool. Let's try that feature out. Let's see how they look when they roll. Let's get this rubbery thing out of the way. There you go. You see the engine. So if you go real fast, it'll probably make a sound. Yeah, you hear the rolling plus an extra click, click. Yeah, you can see it there, how he pops up. Oh. A little bump there. Yeah, the front wheels don't really roll as smooth. Let's see. Pretty neat, pretty neat. And there they are. Awesome, awesome. Let me know which ones you have been finding, guys. Which cases. Are you up to N already? Or are you still running behind? Sometimes we're running behind, then we catch up all of a sudden. And we'll have a bunch of cases arrive in town. It's crazy. It's crazy. Distribution has been pretty crazy. So these are the recolors. These three right here. The new recolors. The Gemera, the Lane Lowrider, and the Lucid Air right there. And the old colors back here. Let me back it off a little bit. And there you can see the older colors. Pretty cool, pretty cool. These are looking pretty nice. Pretty nice. And then we got the really awesome exotic cars as well. The racing green. Oh my God, I forgot the name. The Lotus Evija. The Lotus Evija, and we got the Pagani, the Zonda R. Evija and the Zonda R. Oh my God, these names. these names. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Click on those videos I have up there, throwing some videos on the screen. You can click on those and we can hang out some more. Check out some more cars in my collection. And we get to spend some more time together where I show you some more cars that I've found, cars in my collection. I have so many car videos on my channel now. I want to thank you for subscribing, by the way. I've gotten so many new subscribers, so thanks for all the subs, guys. And thanks for liking the video. That helps me so much. So keep liking the videos. Hit that thumbs up. Thumbs up this video. It really helps, guys. I appreciate you so much. Thanks for hanging with me. I really enjoy showing you guys my Hot Wheels collection. I'll see you in the next video.